Yes, today we will learn about how to write a perfect research proposal in your PhD admission and how to really impress your research supervisor to accept that your area of interest and give you that positive response. So as a part of that, today I'd like to show you the exact format of research proposal. What are the things that you must include over there? So let's learn all such things and okay, now we'll go ahead. So here you can see here how to write a perfect research proposal in your PhD. Now first you can see here you have to start with the title. Now this title is very crucial, and later on um, your brief introduction about about your title. This title means your area of interest. Maybe you can choose one title which is very new, which nobody has taken in the previous research, and you need to give brief introduction. So that's exactly what you have to do about that. Background and statement of the problem. Now you know, once you have taken the topic, there must have been some problem behind the topic. That's what this third step, background and statement of the problem. And the fourth, research questions or hypotheses, aims and objectives. And what are all the questions you can raise from your topic, like why, what, how and when questions. And what are the aims and objectives of such questions when you answer them with some experiments. Now, the type of study design, like how you are going to do throughout your 3 years of PhD course, how you are going to design your study, what are all the sources. Basic plan, you don't need to go in deep, and we follow this here again. Study population and sampling, how you are going to take samples and how are you going to take studies, how to study, how many people are you going to study and such things, and how will you, next one is how will you collect data and instruments that you use to collect data, what kind of help you are going to approach while collecting the data. Next, data analysis methods. This is how you analyze. How do you analyze? What are the methods you are going to implement? So this is how you have to do it. And mechanisms to assure the quality of the study, control of bias, safe storage of data. Study period, timetable for completion of the project. So this is very, very crucial. How long are you going to take? And what is the timetable exactly? Don't worry, you don't need to give all these in detail. Just you give just 3 to 4 sentences. Research proposal is not a thesis, but I have given you an exact format to follow each step that you not miss it. And you can see, check here, still like participants in the study. There are any other people are participating along with you, and some moral considerations. Are you going to do it ethically, or are you going to practice any illegal things? That is very, very important. Next, resources required for the study, including budget if applicable. Now, what are the primary resources and secondary resources, and if there is any money that is required while doing all such research, you need to mention. And of course, references, bibliographies, citations is here, and appendices. Like nowadays, nobody is including this, but still, if you want, you can implement this. And copy, which means appendices is a copy of some questionnaire, consent forms, such things. So this is the exact format how to write a PhD research proposal, and you can see some introduction I have given here for this template. It is nothing but research proposal is the description of the intended research. Now you can see here This is the description of the intended research. What are you going to do in the 3 years is what you are going to narrate here. And it must be like between 5 to 10 pages. So don't worry about writing too many pages. 5 to 10 pages. Don't be afraid by seeing this format, but you have to write very little about one each line, one each topic or paragraph. So this is how you have to learn, and make sure you use some good layout, subheadings and subsections clearly. And as well, the proposal development must be very clear to your research supervisor. Don't do it as you like. So setting out your proposal properly. Okay, set out your proposal properly. If you don't know how to use Microsoft Word document, kindly take one week course nearby Computer Institute. Don't just try to do on your own, because to adjust one feature you need to struggle half an hour, 1 hour. You waste your time for one adjustment. So better you go for 1 week course and save many hours of your time, because that's not a problem for you to go and learn. Okay, then how to use this template. Again, I have given exactly like how to go about. Now here you will be typing the title of your project here, and if you want this template, I can send you. Just drop me an email in your comments. Just push this Word document to you. You have to write your name, your student number, that may be your registered number in that particular university. If there is no student number, like some universities, you need to put before itself, before the admission. So don't worry about it, skip this. Course name, department, okay, don't worry about this. If it is applicable, you can do. This is very important. Supervisor's name, type rightly and correctly. A date of submission, okay. So see these contents now. This is very important here. Okay, this is what these are the things you need to include. But when you come to real table of contents, you have to frame this way completely. See, first you have to write abstract, then introduction, then heading 1, that is your research topic. Okay, problem statement. So what we have discussed here, we are putting systematically down all these things. These things we are putting systematically down with some sections and subsections. So everything is same, but we are doing it little bit systematic. So research design. Now you see, just pause this and write it in your notebook if you want it. See, pause this video and write all this there. Research design and methods here. See, this is very important. Okay, collection of data. All we have just spoken everything. Strength and weaknesses. Okay, that's it. Okay, check these contents and you fill the contents in the upcoming. Abstract, background, methods, results, discussion and conclusion. Abstract is nothing but you have to write in few words. What are you going to do? Exactly what is there in your research. Okay, don't explain, but this is what you can learn. Next, introduce your topic, what you are doing, what is happening. Problem, what is a problem? So this is what we have been speaking into. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the important thing is for me to help you is this area, contents. Okay, so put this. That's what, how to write a research proposal. Make sure to take the help of this template and be successful, and I wish you best of luck for your upcoming research proposal and thereby starting your PhD course. And thank you so much. Do visit my website for more information, phdstudytips.com.